Oh, now I'm ready for the GP. Otherwise, I couldn't even sleep anymore. I saw yesterday already, they ripped it that deep that it's really, deep lines, bumpy and really technical. But that's, what I love, this, now you can make the difference out there. It's not like high-speed racing, and it's really about technique and lines and, being smooth, so I love it. They're going to flat some parts for sure for the races, but it's going to be, I think, some good racing out there. It is. I mean, I used to do quite some the last few GPs, as you guys could see, but today, all the landings are packed full of ruts and bumps, so you don't want to end up, a bit short or far coming from a whip sideways, so this is going to hurt. So at the moment, like I said before, I'm jumping more like a piece of food,